Hello everybody, I'm in Westminster Hall, the Houses of Parliament, just spoken to the Justice Select Committee who are doing a review into drugs and prisons, and obviously, as you know, I have a few opinions on that subject. So when a select committee looks at a subject, in this case drugs and prisons, they aim to gather evidence from various people, write a report, and that report goes to the ministers with recommendations. Obviously in this case there's a lot of talk going on around how to respond to drugs in prisons, how to control supply, how to get the treatment better, how to get more people into recovery, and the select committee will be expressing their views on it in the coming months. And I felt a bit bad in the first half of my evidence because just about everything I was saying to the committee was actually things are pretty bad out there. There's a growing prison drug market. It's been bigger and more profitable than it's ever been. There's a lot of health problems come out of it, a lot of crime problems come out of it, and it makes it very difficult to manage safe prisons because an awful lot of the people in prisons are seeking drugs or dealing drugs. My evidence today was one of four people, lots of different perspectives, but as you can expect, I went in there and gave exactly what Forward Trust or my views on the issue, which is an issue I've worked in and around for 40 years now. One of the committee members asked, are we doing enough to rehabilitate prisoners? And I gave them a resounding no. There's a lot of advice services, health services in prison, but just not enough intensive or structured treatment to turn people's lives around, help them get into recovery. And what that means is a lot of people are coming out of prison with their drug problem unresolved and with all the health and crime problems that come with that. So I was impressing on the committee how deep and urgent the problems are, and I felt a bit bad about being so negative. So I ended up with a little bit more positivity, saying that David Gaulk report and the current statements of the ministers, the determination to get to grips with this issue, were very encouraging. So we're in a big year to try and turn things around, to reduce the supply, reduce the scale of the market, but also and crucially making sure rehabilitation and programs to help people overcome their problems are present in every prison in the country. So there's some funding there, there's some political commitment, and as I say, the recommendations of David Gaulk. So hopefully there's going to be some real determination in the coming months and years to change general negative trend from the last 15 years. So I've done my bit, I've told them what I thought. Hopefully they produce a nice hard-hitting report.